Cisco Secure Firewall, Firepower 1210 CE unboxing. We're going to connect it to Security Cloud Control using Zero Touch. All right, here's the unboxing. All right, you're not going to get a GNOME placemat in your box, but anyways, here it is. Power cord, power adapter, and your 1210 CE Cisco Secure Firewall. So how long does it take to get it set up? Well, I'm going to show you. Let's get started. All right, it's plugged in, it's powered up, and the first interface is connected to the network. We'll go to Security Devices in Security Cloud Control. We're going to add the device, and we're going to use FTD, and we're going to use the serial number this time. It's going to be cloud managed, and we'll go ahead and enter the serial number. We'll give it a device name. Then we'll go ahead and add in a password. This has never been managed previously, so we're going to go ahead and add our password to the device. We're going to use the default access policy, and we'll go ahead and license it. And we're going to give it a tag, and that's it. And that's all we have to do. Now shortly, the device will come up. It'll be online, it'll be connected, and we can do the rest of the configuration. Now I'm not using any templates or anything like that. I just did the very quick installation, bring it online, make sure it's in sync, and I can go ahead and configure the machine. So this is great for remote offices, branch offices, just having the individuals within the office be able to plug these in for you, and you have full connectivity to be able to do the rest of the configuration. If not, you can certainly go through and use templates to fast track the entire configuration itself. And here we're just looking at the interfaces. I have full access to it. I can make the changes I need to the environment. Check the device out. Check out all the status around the device itself, general information, licensing, the system itself, the inspection engines, the health, the management interfaces, the inventory details, the applied policies, and any advanced settings that we might want to change here as well. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get these devices up and running in your environment.